This is a sell trade I took on Friday, and the first thing I did before I was able to spot this trade was that I started by comparing the strength versus the weakness of various currency pairs like the Euro, GBP, CAD, USD, AUD, CHF, and so on. This analysis of strength comparison was done on Thursday evening when the market was still here. The sell had not yet happened. I came to notice that based on my thorough market screening and my usage of the currency strength meter, CHF was going to be the strongest currency for Friday, while AUD was going to be one of the weakest against the CHF. So with my knowledge of pairing the strongest currency against the weakest, I was able to select the best trade setup for Friday, and I sold the markets. The currency strength method did rhyme with my technical analysis projecting a sell bias, and with no fundamentals around the corner to influence this trade, I was confident with this trade setup. So there is this concept that I see a lot of people talking about, saying that risk management is the most important thing in the market. Yes, I really like the fact that risk management is the most important thing in the market. But one thing I also want to emphasize on is the fact that your risk to reward ratio is also as well very important as your risk management. You can apply risk management, and too much of risk management can actually kill you. The same as a lot of losing, like just being so loose on the market, also is not good for your trading setups. So what I'm trying to say here is that if you have a good risk to reward ratio, then it's going to cover up for most of these things. Because take for instance, if you have a single trade which goes into your favor, 1:5 reward ratio, that basically means that you're going to need to lose as much as 5 times before you go back to break even. Okay, I don't know if you guys do understand this fact, but this is just a fact that I'm just trying to say, because your risk to reward ratio helps you to cover up for back-to-back losses. Okay, and where you're at in your trading journey, if you start looking at the market from the perspective of risk to reward ratio, then trust me guys, you're going to find yourself, even with after 3 losses, you're still going to find yourself in a winning streak. And I'm really about to show that to you guys this week, and I want to show you guys that on my MT4 trading setup, my big accounts right now, so that you guys should see. Okay guys, so this is a screenshot of the trades which I took, and if you look it clearly here, you see that this is AUD CHF based on my analysis on my phone, and this is a 1 hour time frame. I made my entries up here and price actually pushed down. Okay, so this is the trade after it pushed down. This is the trade after it pushed down. And then on the weekly review, these are the other trades which I took, guys. 1 minute, let me show you that. I also took a trade. This was a previous trade on Tuesday which I took on USD CHF, and then this is a trade which I took on AUD CHF as well. Guys, this is my total for the week. I started my account with a total of $100,000. This is the first trade, USD CHF, which I just showed you guys with the screenshot. It was a buy trade setup and it was a profit. I took a trade on GBP NZD, it was a sell trade. It went into a little bit of profit, but then I ended up exiting that trade because it wasn't a good setup. Then USD CHF, I took another buy setup on USD CHF, but this was a mistake, so that's why I exited quickly. Then I took a buy setup now on Euro NZ. Yes, this was actually the trade where I lost, and you will see here the reason why I lost this much was because I took this trade at a very wrong time. This was during the Asian session where I took this trade, and the spreads were so high, so I paid a lot of spreads for this trade, and that's why I lost so much, as much as $200, taking part of my profits. Then this was a sell trade on GBP NZD. This one also was, I was just like testing out GBP NZD to see what it could do, and it moved up 30 pips. You can see there, it moved up about 10 pips. It didn't really move, so I exited, but the trade moved up about 18 pips and came back into break even. That's why I exited this trade. So this is a total for the week: 1 win and 1 major loss, but the major loss couldn't overcome the major win. That's what I'm trying to say. Even if I have 2 losses, you're still going to see that my account balance is still up to $342, and I'm very sure that maybe in the coming weeks I'll probably be making more profits than what I've currently made. About risk to reward reward, guys. It's about risk to reward. Don't get fooled, don't play around. It's about risk to reward. If your risk to reward is not more than your risk, like if your reward is not more than your risk, then you're playing around, guys. Trust me, forex trading is risk to reward. You're risking one, aim to gain 3 or 2 or 4. Some people aim to gain 7, but it's up to you, guys. Your reward should always be more than your risk. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Algo and I'm a forex trader here in Cameroon. I normally call myself the alpha trader. People do call me as the alpha trader, and I show my daily processes here as a forex trader. Okay, so if you're interested in what I'm doing and you do like what I'm doing, it's a growth process which I'm showing and I'm posting it every day, every week here on YouTube. So if you do like what I'm doing, guys, you can just help me smash that like button for your boy, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so that the video can be recommended to so many more people. Okay, if you didn't watch my previous video, guys, you probably want to check that out. It's how I took the trade for USD. Trust me, that trade was lit. So you guys, you can just check it out on this previous video right here, and you'll probably be seeing how I took a trade on USD too. That being said, guys, I just came to chill around here. It's a very nice place around me. Let me turn my camera so you guys can see. Okay, so it's a very nice place around me. Okay, so I just came to chill around, and I hope you guys do have a nice weekend. Enjoy your weekend, and next week we are coming in for the market again.